How to get local channels on LG TV. So this is going to allow you to watch live TV Freeview on your LG TV. So first of all, you're going to want to get your remote control, then press the settings button. That's your LG TV remote control. Press that settings button, then scroll to the bottom where it says all settings, so the downwards arrow, till you get to all settings, then press the middle OK button. There, you'll want to go ahead and scroll down on the left hand side until you get to programs. Then once you're on programs, go to the right and then click on program tuning and settings. Click the OK button. That will bring up this screen here where it says program tuning in the top left hand corner. There you will see this page where you want to go ahead and you can just click on different types of things here, but I recommend going on to auto tuning, as that will kind of be able to get the local channels in your area through doing the antenna. You can do that one there. You can go ahead and click the tick on that. You can do cable and satellite if you want to, if you have those type of channels, but make sure that's ticked. Once it is, go to the bottom, then click on next. Okay on that. Then digital search only, then click on next. Then there are a few different variations you could do of that, but once you've done it, it'll go ahead and start program tuning. Once it's finished, it should take a few minutes for you. Then you'll have the live TV local channels in your area on your TV, and you'll be able to use them on Watch Live TV. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.